Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean silica gel. You might be wondering why you'd even bother, but reactivating this desiccant is a smart move for several reasons. Silica gel is excellent at absorbing moisture, which protects your electronics, documents, and other items from humidity damage. Instead of constantly buying new packets, you can easily restore them, saving money and reducing waste. This simple process extends the gel's useful life, making it a sustainable choice for moisture control. The oven method is a popular and effective way to reactivate your silica gel. First, spread the saturated beads in a thin, even layer on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to between 250 and 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the gel for approximately 1.5 to 3.5 hours, or until the color-changing beads return to their original hue. Remember to let the gel cool completely before storing it to prevent reabsorption of moisture. For a quicker option, you can use your microwave to reactivate silica gel. Place the beads in a microwave-safe dish, ensuring they are spread out evenly. Heat them on a medium power setting for 30-second intervals. After each interval, stir the gel and check for color change or if they feel dry and light. Repeat this process until the gel is fully reactivated, typically taking 3 to 12 minutes in total. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage the gel. Once your silica gel is reactivated and completely cool, proper storage is key to maintaining its effectiveness. Transfer the beads to an airtight container, such as a Ziploc bag or a sealed plastic tub, to prevent them from absorbing ambient moisture. You can then reuse them to protect items like cameras, important papers, or toolboxes from humidity. Reactivate your gel whenever it becomes saturated again. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to some fantastic sock deals, plus other great finds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.